Hello and welcome to ActivTrades biggest market movers. Today I'll be looking at the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. I'll be discussing its recent trading history, and I'll also be trying to identify the key technical levels to watch out for as we move into another important trading week. So a very exciting open to the week for the New Zealand dollar. Last week there was plenty of action on this currency pair. We made a new yearly high around 74.80 and we slipped off sharply on Friday. This morning, lots going on in the Asian market. The indices are currently underwater. The Nikkei is starting to fall off, and we've seen commodity currencies hit very hard this morning, and the New Zealand dollar is no different. If we have a look at the key technical levels that we need to be aware of this week, 73.30 is the pivot. It's the former area of resistance that the New Zealand dollar was finding particularly hard to break. It's only last week that we managed to start to close above it for, I think, 2 days, and then we've started to fall off sharply. So really that's the pivot, 73.30. And if we do start to close back above that level, we will then start to challenge, I think, the 74.14, which is the really the next set of resistance that it needs to take out. I've drawn a Fibonacci retracement from the yearly low up towards the former structure high around the 77 region, and really it's a series of sequences that we may see the New Zealand dollar start to retest if we start to move down and start to test the key support levels. The key support levels that we need to watch out for, the 71.56, which is the 61.8 retracement that we were previously trading above, and we were using that as former support. If we do slip under and test that and that fails, we of course have the crucial 50%, and that will be, if we do see substantial losses on the New Zealand dollar, that will really be the key testing ground, the 69.76 that it needs to hold. But that is really, if we do see a sharp move, and obviously that is still some 400 pips move away. So at the moment we keep our eye on the 73.30, see how the New Zealand dollar acts around there, and obviously we will see how the European and the US markets open up. If it's continued risk aversion, then we can really hypothesize that the New Zealand dollar will continue down. But at the moment it's still hanging around that key pivot, and I think we'll watch the 73 area with interest this week to see how the New Zealand dollar tackles that. Thank you very much. This has been ActivTrades biggest market movers.